You might think your Excel file is clean, but did you know it could be hiding personal info, comments, or even hidden metadata that you never see? Don't share your workbook unless you have checked it, and removed all personal information from it. In this video, I'll show you how to use Excel's Document Inspector to uncover and remove this hidden information in just a few clicks. This info may contain sensitive data about you and your organization. Open Excel and click File tab. You will find Info tab is selected. Select Check for Issues box. Select Inspect Document. Document Inspector dialog will open. You will find a list of different types of contents under their respective headings. All contents have been selected by default. I leave all categories of contents selected. Then click Inspect button. You will notice that a red exclamation sign has appeared under the heading Document Properties and Personal Information, which is followed by a warning message that this content has some hidden information about author of the document. In addition, a Remove All button has also appeared against that item. All other categories of contents don't have such warning messages or Remove All buttons, which implies that they don't have any personal or hidden information. Click Remove All. Now under the heading Document Properties and Personal Information, you will receive a message that document properties and personal information were successfully removed. It means the document is now clean and safe to share. Now hit Close button. Close Excel application and save the changes. Now you can share your document without any fear of sharing your personal hidden information.